Positive Media channel, and this is Vyshnavi Vinayan, and today I'm going to show the video of microgreen plants. And here are 3 microgreen plants which I grew. They are kidney beans, mustard seeds and green gram. And today I'm going to cook green gram. Let's take the green gram. And most of you people will be thinking, how do we grow green gram and what are the introduction of green gram? So it is very simple to grow the green gram. Mustard seeds and green gram. So yesterday it was my first day. We sowed the seeds in a bowl, and today we put in the 5 trays with the tissue. So now I'm gonna say a small introduction, uses and benefits of microgreen plants. Microgreen plants, as the name suggests, micro means small and the green plant that which we can eat. It grows approximately 1 to 7 inches, and the uses are we can put these green leaves in soups, meat dishes, we can make it as salad, sabjis and etc. Now the most important thing, the benefits of microgreen plants. If I'm saying the benefits of microgreen plants, they are really nutritious and they similarly reduce the risk of certain diseases such as diabetes, heart disease, certain cancers. So now I'm gonna cut the microgreen plants. The reason why I'm cutting the microgreen plants, we can see the tiny seeds sprouting here. Look, it's sprouting. So that I'm cutting the microgreens. So we can start, we can see how we are cutting the green gram. Saying experience with this project, it was a really good experience for me. Thanks to Vinod sir and Vijay sir for giving this opportunity. This is a quarantine time. Maximum utilize your time and grow some seeds what I did, and I hope you all enjoyed my video. If you enjoyed my video, don't forget to subscribe, comment, share and like. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.